Good evening to all of you. This is the second of the series of the photo exhibition what is organized today. As all of you know, the history is in making in construction of the world's largest metro project in PPP mode, and the effort is to capture the history in photographs. Last time, first exhibition you saw the old mode of transport in Hyderabad, almost going back 150 years. This time the theme is progress photographs of the construction which is going on all parts of the city. If you go around, you can see different stages of the construction, starting from the foundations right up to the track laying. And this is the progress we are trying to capture. The whole idea is to capture the history for the future people to understand and see how the project was done. Whole idea generated that we have an idea of finally making a museum, metro museum what we can. It will be world-class metro museum and which will house all these photographs at stages so that even after some time people will really understand how the project was done, and that time people will really wonder how in a congested city like Hyderabad, the construction was made right in the middle of people, right in the middle of congested traffic. As you know, the work is progressing at very brisk speed, and presently all the attention is being given in the stretch of Nagol to Mettuguda, and railway track work has already progressed and almost 4 kilometers of railway track has been laid there. The electrification is also started. The Nagol depot, I would say almost 80-85% is complete. And the first train, the first full train of 3 coaches will arrive here anytime between April end or beginning of May. And that train will be used for oscillation trials, test in the depot first. And once the trials are completed in the depot successfully, then the train will be taken to the actual track and again it will be tested on the permanent track. Testing, trials is a very important part before we commission the railway. Taking into consideration the safety of passengers, safety of the assets, this is a long drawn process, and finally the Commissioner of Railway Safety will be invited to have the inspection to get the certificate from him that the system is fit for the purpose and can be opened for public. Thank you.